watermelon for the snails. For the snails. Okay. Give me the phone, let me go feed them. So you people can testify that my snails are really pampered. Now, don't come and press me snail 500. Because you can clearly see the effort, the kind of feeding, what I'm investing is on these snails. I mean, in the snails. I don't even know the grandma can't choke. See how they are sucking the eggshells. Can you see? You see how they are sucking it? So you can see how they are sucking. Now it's time to put watermelon. Watermelon. Now they give them. So when you're ordering snails from me, no say the snails na full vibe, like it's a full vibe thing. Sure, not with this snail now. Be a premium man. By the time he say he's a shareholder, he should be eating fat snails. Without money. Do it first. I'm coming with the full gist. Una go know say this Anambra girl. Maybe my eye una go take. Pata go return the man to him mama. Wallahi. As the package give me, I will package and send them back. Because what kind of shareholder is this? I didn't say I was looking for any shareholder. Oh. Snails. Not one.